Guys, today I just want to show you ways to screen for stocks fast. I don't know about you guys, but I have a 9 to 5 job and I have no time to really look through each and every single stock and look through the technicals and whether they are fundamentally overvalued or undervalued. So I use screeners to help me, and the first screener I use is called Marketclub. I have been using Marketclub for years already and I really like it a lot, but before we use it, we must first understand how it works. So for Marketclub, they use trade triangles to signal an entry and exit. So there are three trade triangles that you need to take note of. There is a monthly trade triangle, which is there is a monthly trade triangle, which is M, the weekly trade triangle, which is W, and the daily, which is D. Okay. So if you are a long-term trader or an investor, then we normally use the monthly trade triangle to determine our entry and exit point. If you are an intermediate term trader, then we normally use the monthly trade triangles to determine your entry, okay, and the weekly triangles to determine your exit entries and re-entry points. Okay, so let's take a look over here. They actually gave an example of Tesla. So for Tesla, you can see, okay, there was a green color monthly, so people were entered it on that signal. And after that, in February, there was a red weekly, so people have exited. Okay, then there was a green weekly, enter, exit, enter, exit. So what I like about this is it's quite brainless in the sense that you just follow the signals. Okay, so once you see a red signal, you just get out. Okay, and for short-term traders, okay, which Marketclub usually recommends for futures or forex, then they use the weekly triangles to determine an entry point and the daily triangles to determine the exit entries and re-entries. Okay, you can see here a weekly green, they enter, red they come out, green daily they enter, red they come out, so on and so forth. But I don't really use this, so I won't really be commenting much about it. So when you enter the Marketclub homepage, this is how you'll see. There's actually a lot of things that you can do, and you can also look at your portfolios and see if the triangles has changed. Okay, I normally will just click here, the top options. The reason why is because I'm more interested in finding long-term option plays known as leaps, and I just want to enter when I find that I'm I just look for more long-term option plays, and hence I want stocks with a very good with a very high open interest, which Marketclub scans actually helps with it. So when you enter the scan, you notice that they will actually put the three main markets up here: S&P 500, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq. So it is 17th of November at 10 a.m. in Singapore time. The markets are closed. Okay, so yesterday's markets all resulted in a plus 90 score, which is a very bullish score. For me, my trading philosophy is I prefer to be a buyer of call options than a buyer of put options, and I'm naturally more inclined towards being a bullish investor. Okay, so when I see that all triangles are all in my favor, that's where I start to be more confident and more aggressive in my approach. What I like about the screener is you can see we can actually change the scores to see which are the top bearish picks and the top bullish picks. Today I'll be focusing on the top bullish picks, and I'm going to show you my easy 3-step process in how to find a good stock. So what I like about Marketclub is you can sort the scores. Okay. I normally prefer to sort based on bullish scores. The reason why is because I tend to be more inclined to buying call options, long-term call options for that matter. So how do I do it is, okay, if I see IQV, okay, it's a plus 100 score, I will just remember this symbol IQV. I'll go to my Seeking Alpha. Okay, this is a Seeking Alpha paid account. Put it here. Take a look and see what Seeking Alpha says. It's not covered by authors. Wall Street is very bullish, and Seeking Alpha has this quant rating, neutral. Okay, then I'll just go to Morningstar and type it in and see if there's any research on it. 3 stars. Based on Marketclub, the fair value is 276, last close 267. Not too bad, can consider. I'll just put it in one of my lists. Okay, now let's look at another one, IMAB. Just look at the scores. This stock does not appeal to me anymore. Okay, let's go to CDW. Not covered. Wall Street bullish, quant neutral. Nah. Okay, let's go to AXON. Seeking alpha bullish, Wall Street bullish, quant bearish. Skip. Let's go to ULTA. Whoa, everything is bullish. Quant very bullish. Let's take a look over here. Ah, damn. Last close 413, fair value 259, overvalued. I'll give it a miss. Let's go to QDEL. Oh, everything is bullish. Okay, I would have preferred if the quant was very bullish, to be frank. But let's just, I mean, no harm. QDEL. Let's take a look here. It's not really covered by Morningstar. Yeah. So when you see something, if you see this symbol, you just know that it's not, they don't really have a proper summary of it. Okay, so with that, but you can see the fair value is 232, last close 149. Okay, QDL. Can consider NTES. NTES. Seeking alpha bullish, Wall Street very bullish, quant neutral. Let's just take a look here. Four stars, interesting. Fair value 139, the last close 111. So this is trading at the 20% discount. Let me see. Very bullish, so it's, but it does not have a very good quant rating here. I might just put it in. But this quant is of concern to me. Let's go to DHI. We must know I'm only looking for one stock to place if possible. Oh, DHI, very bullish. I mean, all three ratings are bullish in CK Alpha. Okay. Come on, come on. Last close 19.9, fair value 95. Trading within the range we consider fairly valued. Pass. Sorry. I'm very strict when it comes to my criteria. BERY. Not covered, bullish, neutral, pass. Okay. TOL. Neutral, bullish, bullish. Okay, can consider. Three stars. TOL. Trading at the range we consider fairly well. Okay, maybe. ST. Bullish, bullish, neutral, pass. JD. Bullish, very bullish, bullish. This is interesting. Trading at a 24% discount, fair value 111, last close 85.73. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, JD is China's second largest e-commerce company after Alibaba. Okay, I'm definitely considering this. Let's take a look at a few more. Okay. The last one, LEGN. Very bullish neutral. Skip. But never mind. Let's just complete the thing. LEGN. Eh. I just saw 2 stars and I'm giving it a miss. Okay, so of the of those that just changed, okay, the only stock that really struck me was JD. Okay, I may be going for it, but let's just take a look at some commentary. Okay, so JD is in a strong upward trend that is likely to continue, showing some intraday weakness. Okay, it remains in the confines of a bullish trend. Okay, it's a plus 90. That's pretty strong, to be honest. Okay, I'll be doing this trade later when the market opens. Again, I hope you guys have benefited in this way of screening for stocks. And if you guys are very keen to know more about it, link in the comments below. I can also help you screen for your stocks as well, also for free. Okay, see you. Bye.